Salibonani benguni abahle, salibonani lonke. Libingelelwa nguDingindlela Dube. Okay, what I'm gonna do is to record in isiNdebele, but I'm not gonna be fast, just to make sure that our Nguni brothers in Malawi and in Zambia will be able to understand what I am saying, or to pick the words that are difficult. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say the praises of Bindebele nation. Each and every nation had its own praises based on what it did or what it does. So what I'm going to do, because I'm not an imbongi, the praise poetry, so I'm going to be very slow so that you pick everything that I am saying. Okay, they begin like this. Okay, amazinyane esilo sohlanga, amankonyane esilo sikandaba, ihlathikazi elasitshunwa kwaZulu layagxunyekwa kwamambo, elaqala lilibinzanyana lakhaphazela lena njengamahlabathi oshangane, elalukufa njengedabane laze lashaya izinkumbi zogwembe, langumthunzi ogwini lukangulukudela, umuthi owesatshwa ngabafokazana ngoba wagxunyekwa yingalo emandlakazi, u-Mzilikazi kaMashobana, untungwa lasembulazi, elaphosa umkhonto lahamba liwulandela, umpande yamadoda, iqhawe lasemandwandweni elingalinganiswa uzwide livaka lomango, impethu engena ngenxeba, uMzilikazi ngumdlodlomo omnyama kandaba, uMthwakazi bathi undlela zimhlophe, ngoba kaphanganga abafo wazala abafowabo wabetha wathi abantwana bezihlangu, amawundlu kamalandela alenkani enkulu, ahlahla indlela phakathi kwabafo, abuyisa intonga ebusweni bukaChaka, apheqa umbelebele umgogodla, ahleka udlambedla usulu, aze alukhomba ngezithupha, abafazi baluphekulela izidwaba edwaleni, amanzonzobala komhlahlandlela aduma kude njengezulu lesiqhotho, aduma izizwe zathuthumela, ingxubekazi kaMzilikazi ayithaka ngezizwe langezizwana, amesaba amakhosi, abantwana bezinkanyezi zezulu abahle njengamantunga asenhla, abalimi lumaphimbo njengomculo wezintaka, luthonta njengamakhekheba ezinyosi, izizwe azimesaba uMthwakazi, zihaye zithi bayethe zinqabutho kubenguni. There it ends. Those are the praises of the Ndebele nation. The Ndebele nation was known for its bravery, for its uniqueness. So what I'm going to ask you, my brothers and sisters, is to listen to the audio. Wherever you hear a word that is difficult to pronounce, pause and ask. I will give you the meaning. Thank you.